Others, 6,000.
Bloody hell! Where the frippin' hell did he come from? Okay, I've got your full attention. This video is a very simple one. It's about me doing the right thing behind a bus that's pulling out after being at a bus stop, and we're going to go stop-start through this video because I've captured a fantastic example of extremely reckless driving. And honestly, I'm over the self-entitled drivers on the roads these days. So okay, there's a bus on the side of the road and it's just getting ready to take off. It indicates right to turn back into the lane, and there's a sign on the bus that indicates to me I have to give way to this bus and let it in. There's a close-up of the sign on the back of the bus. It's fairly self-explanatory. The bus driver is indicating to turn out, which is the right thing to do. And looking forward, there's some ladies with puppy dogs crossing the road. If they're quick, they will be able to get across before the bus gets there. But then this happens. Let me pause the video here. We've got a white VW Golf that's decided to overtake me. It's ignored the fact the bus is pulling out and has the right of way. And we also have the ladies with the puppy dog on the traffic island up ahead. What's going to happen next? In this situation, who's in the right and who's in the wrong?
First former White House official to be imprisoned over a college
Well,
conviction. Speaking of...
Did we see that? I let the bus out and that other car said nah, and then nearly wanted to wipe out some people crossing the road. Love it. I've looked at this incident so many times, and I think seeing it over and over, you either get a feeling this person needs to be reported to the police, or you start to be desensitized and thinking, oh yeah, well that's just a lucky break and this is the way you drive now. No, this is not how you drive. There are rules set up in place so that things happen safely and people can cross the road safely and buses can pull out of their lane safely. Yet you've always got that one person, that one scoundrel who wants to do it their way because the world revolves around them. I'm frickin' over these styles of people. So here's the question, should I report to the police what I've got on Dashcam here? Very important question. But the strangest thing is when you report these things, you chew up a fair bit of your own time. You've got to do some legal documents, and in the strangest way, you end up feeling like the victim. But that happens a lot when you're dealing with the police. And there's one thing I've noticed, and I'm sure of it, since we've come out of the pandemic lockdown, I've captured so many really strange and dangerous events. It's not funny. I'll just finish the video by giving you some snippets of the madness.
I think I know where that goes.
We've called the cops, okay? So you better be on the move. Flippin' hell! What the hell? What's wrong with people? And just to think back to that guy that I got your attention with at the start of the video, you have to remember when you're driving in a car, you have the pillars beside the windscreen that restrict your view. Dash cams have a really wide angle view, and you probably thought, oh, you would have seen that guy easily. No, he just appeared from nowhere. How I didn't hit him is a miracle. And I suppose if I did hit him, remember I had the green light to go, it would have been spun around that I was in the wrong, because that's how it works now. I'm so frickin' over it.
Chris O'Keefe later this afternoon. Jenny and others. 6,000.
Bloody hell! Where the frippin' hell did he come from? My God!